Die bees wat ek geniet het. Pieks van ek en jy het gevat en delete me. Dra my hart op my skouer, sy dra haren in die sleef en van. Ek wou net myself bewys dat ek intussen mense gaan. Ek ken die woord waar ek je behoort, die hy sê ek staan. Die advies van 'n slang, hy wil gou net dieper laat gaan.
It's the thuggish, ruggish bloodstars that pump slugs that dump in the mouths and
Ja, is I like it man, sien jy? Like lately die old school beats man. Weet jy ook al nie? Ja, nou lekker bone tax en sien jy? Maar check it. Niks nou weer op old school beat en niemand give me beat wat ek eet. Wat ek bring is I like die idee. En ek een van die assel en die ander van die strakkel van die kost zit nie. Is poverty en corruption op a daily basis. Daylight robbery en ek praat net feite hier. Ja, ek worry nie nou meer wie wat sê of dink ek. Cause ek is die beste, but almal wil net blind. Like jy Stevie, one is a kind. That's why ek kyk jou aan met die grim. Van my word die so lag gevat in my kind. Ek kom 'n lang pad, ancient. Ja, ek is 'n dokter at patience. Ek hang some Jamaicans and Haitians. On steel TV's and dan Playstations. Just to put some bread in a hazen. Don't judge what you don't know, make it nah. Size things wat ek elke dag jy moet volstaan. Like my bra, you know none. Ek kom met die illness, ek blok saam my killers. Meaning wat? Ghetto's a realist. Ek's no way op old school beat en niemand give me beat what I eat. Wat ek bring is I like die idee. En ek een van die assel en die ander van die strakkel van die kost zit nie. Is poverty en corruption op a daily basis. Daylight robbery en ek praat net feite hier.
Sound Goodizer. Yes, I make it louder fast. No, I won't fix bad mixing. Use me lightly or regret me. I'm compressor, I squeeze sound so it behaves. Too loud, I pull it back. Too quiet, I lift it up. I don't kill dynamics, I control them. I'm reverb, I add distance, not volume. One sound becomes a room. Too much of me, and you drown. I'm EQ, mud lives around 300 hertz, bass is below. Harshness screams up high, I don't guess, I carve so everything shines. I'm gross beat, I destroy time on purpose. Use me for moments, not everything. Chaos needs contrast.
I'm delay, I make an echo rhythm that you overlook. Sync me to tempo, now the groove breathes.
Yo, it's D-Dog, your favorite white boy reactor from the Bible. And we're back here with another banger for the books. I know this is a long overdue track of Jody, man. It just dropped recently, like a few days ago, and I've been meaning to check it out. I actually did a reaction to it, but then I got interrupted, so I had to stop it. So, yeah, we're redoing it. But I just want to address the elephant in the room and just make a few things clear, a few statements clear. There's this page called Raim Klets Memes. Since they have started their page, they have been making nothing but trouble and nonsense with the industry and making people's names gat, man. And they're doing nothing for the industry but spreading hate and spreading a negative image. That's all they're doing, is just spreading hate and negativity. So everybody that is watching this and is following this page, can you please unfollow them and report them? And everybody that's not following them, can you please report their page, because they are getting out of hand with the stuff they're doing, and people are involving me in this person's page, thinking I run this page or associate with the people that's running the page. I just want to clear that I am not the person behind that page or the a friend of the person behind the page. I just simply seen the page and seeing the shit that they're posting. I am not a part of it or have nothing to do with that page, ne? I'm just letting you guys know that, just to get that out the air, because a lot of people are hating on me for no reason now. So I'm just clearing that. I'm going to find this Nair.
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
That posted all this shit and has been making all this trouble and nonsense in the industry, and we're going to find you and we're going to sort things out properly. This is the guy's name, ne, that's running the page, by the way. So if anybody knows this guy, please plug his official, like, main Facebook page or TikTok page or Instagram page or whatever the fuck he does. Please plug his main page and report him and block him, because this is not the type of people we need in our industry. It's bad for the people. It's bad. It's just just shit people with kakkedachtes. That's all, bro.
The next day.
But yeah, all of you know when Jody Man raps, ne? Like this new Jody Man that's been coming out since that one album with Swartskapin and stuff. Since that album dropped, he's been releasing so many emotional tracks that you like feel with your soul and your heart and alles, my bro. He's been releasing so many tracks from the heart, and I'm here for the ride for that, because you know that's my type of music. That music that has a proper message towards it, and that you can actually feel it, and you can actually understand the message that's being spread in this track, this positive message that's being spread in the track.
Boy, look, we got ourselves a fucking evolutionary physicist over here.
And we got Jody Man Vrede, a track, like I said, just released recently. So I'm excited to check this one out, man.
What did you say?
I'm super excited to check this one out. So excited. I've been waiting, especially, ne? I've been waiting and holding off for this reaction. I mean, listening to this track until I do this reaction that I'm doing today for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and join the D-Dog Familia, because we drop in nothing but bangers for the books reactions this year. And you know, if you guys are a local artist, if you want promotion out with your music, or if you want a reaction out on one of your tracks that's out on Audiomack or Spotify, but preferably YouTube, please, man. Please plug your links in the comments so I can check it out and give you the reaction, man. Because you know we all here to put each other on. So let me help you by helping me away. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
Jody Man.
That's one thing I like about Jody Man. This like recent Jody Man, yeah, like of last year. He's been doing so many sample tracks with so many samples in his tracks, ne? With like, yo, the samples are just so majestic, bro. I just love it's so soothing and calm. The samples that you use, bro, like that one in No Mercy. Yo, that was hard. And that Rissag. Because of you, ne, I had to go check out the full song of that Rissag sample that you used, just to see what type of track is it. And with Fair Fight, because of you with Fair Fight, I know that track now. No hope. Away. See, bro, I learned music through music. Tell me, how does it make sense? How do I learn new tracks from tracks I'm listening to? Ek weet nie, I'm just a reactor. But yo,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
let's get into it, man.
Same time.
Same time.
Die bees wat ek geniet het. Biks van ek en jy het gevat en delete.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
My hart op my skouer, sy dra.
He's talking here, what that sample in the beginning, and what he faced here. I think he's mentioning about a kind. He's talking about a kind here that he used to have, that he was like couple and stuff, that used to be his peace, and he's like his peace of mind, his safe space. But something happened. I don't know what happened. We're gonna hear now in the track if he explains the story and shit, what happened. But he already faced it. She's supposed to be his peace, but then she ended up deleting all the pictures they had together. Fuck's sake.
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
Harde in die slieven van. Ek wou net myself bewys dat ek intussen mense gaan. Ek ken die woord van ek behoort die huis hoe ek staan.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Advies van 'n slang, hou gou net dieper laat gaan. Hulle wil jou afbreek.
Jesus. Damn, that is lyrical shit, bro. Damn. I understand what you said there, ne? But it's so like that type of lyrical, ne? Where you can't even break it down. Where is it hard and lyrical, you can't even break it down properly. Damn.
Die lied dra my hart op my skouer, sy dra hare in die sleeve en van ek wou net myself bewys dat ek intussen mense gaan. Ek ken die woord van ek behoort die huis hoe ek staan. Die advies van 'n slang, hou ek gou net dieper laat gaan. Hulle wil jou afbreek, hulle wil jou afdruk en jou afskud. Gewoond aan chaos, ek druk myself eens in die
The snakes are just around you and blah 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 to create chaos and to make problems in your life. They're just there to break you down in life. The snakes are put into your life to break you down in life, my bro. Yarr, that is true. That is true. So like you said in the other track, ons almal een. Die slange is nie net in die gras nie, die slange is in die paai. Ek het so 'n min trust vir ouens hier in die paai. Facts.
Wys dat ek intussen mense gaan. Ek ken die woord van ek behoort die huis hoe ek staan. Die advies van 'n slang, hou ek gou net dieper laat gaan. Hulle wil jou afbreek, hulle wil jou afdruk en jou afskud. Gewoond aan chaos, ek druk myself eens in die kak en ek is perfect. Jody is 'n low life en sy lewe.
Ek druk myself in die kak en ek is perfect. A man that can admit that, and they can come to the realization that there's no such thing as perfect, and that you would never be perfect no matter how many good you do or how much you try and do good in this life and good. There's no such thing as being a perfect human being or being a perfect self. Yeah.
Boy, look, we got ourselves a fucking evolutionary physicist over here.
Dit is die woord dit. Ek voel frustreerd soos 'n druggie wat nie gesurf word nie. Ek maak die tricks vir in 'n piece en nie vir die
Ek voel gereed soos 'n druggie. What?
Dan kan jy sê druk myself eens in die kak en ek is perfect. Jody is 'n low life en sy lewe dit is die woord dit. Ek voel frustreerd soos 'n druggie wat nie gesurf word nie.
Don't know what that word means there, but yo, jy's a low life en jy feel jy is die woord dit. Soos 'n druggie. Nah man. This is why I say Jody man is not a rapper, my bro. This man's a preacher. This man is preaching the waarheid, my bro. He's not rapping anymore. This man doesn't have a rap career, he's got a preaching career. This man is literally a preacher, bro. This man should fucking be preaching to the bloody, what's those people, man? He must be preaching he should be preaching to the ministers and be preaching to all these people that's preaching to the people. He should be the motherfucker on the corners, busy preaching to the whole street and stuff with the microphone and the big speaker like I see in Newton Park. This man is intelligent and clever, ek sê.
Maak die tricks vir in 'n piece en nie vir die billboards. Ek kyk my skarrel, ek my hande seer.
My bro, I just press play. Now I get to hear this, my bro. I just press play. He makes the music for inner peace, not for the pill poppers. He's making music. Damn! So you can feel peace. Because you know, when you relate to music, music becomes your safe zone. It becomes your safe space when you feel the music that you're listening to. And you start relating to that music and you feel one with that track or that artist you listen to. So what Jody is saying here is making his numbers for the inner peace, for your inner peace, not for the ether that's pill popping and shit. Because he doesn't mention anything about drugs and doing drugs in here, or doesn't make any party numbers for druggies or for the clubs and the party people and shit. He's doing it for those that really need it and really need to feel it.
Ek wil jy nou word. Sling hy dope het gee jou notes, het gee jou hoop net om aan te gaan getuie. Damn! Ons voel soos addicts onder pressure om in ons kop. Ek wil jy lag, ek wil jy puffy, ek wys Gaddafi, ons gaan dit maak getuie.
Ek feel soos 'n addict wat under pressure. Wat's under pressure? God damn.
Ons kolle ry met mekaar want ons is van die straat getuie. Eerste hand experience, hier is hy kandidaat getuie. Ek het in hy beats getrust, toe sien ek sy is die straat getuie. En ek is die ene wat die paaie teer. Dis respect jouself.
I loved that bitch until I found out that she was for the streets. She was the streets. Yeah, nah. I know every single person watching this knows that. Every person watching this has been through that, or experienced a cunt like that. But, eish, that's how this generation is, my bro. It's one of those things of this generation. Never put 100% into a cunt. Never. No, but if you've been dating this cunt for like 2 years, never put 100% in. Once you put that 100% in, she's gonna get bored of you, of that 100%. Just warning you, Owens, ne? Just warning you, Owens, that haven't experienced it. Don't give a cunt 100% of you. That's when you fuck yourself over.
Nou dink jy maak my dan seer. Jy disappoint jou my, disappoint jou pa nog meer. Van kyk ek check en ek regret. Hy toe vang ek net 'n klompie kakke.
Damn! Now, what that cunt that he's speaking about, that's for the streets. What you're doing is upsetting your family, your mother and your father. Yo, that is deep. That is a deep thing to actually think about. And I bet you this cunt that's watching this is listening to this, ne? And like really thinking about the choices in life or something, man. I know if kinders get told by a guy what they actually doing, the wrongs that they're doing. I'm not no female expert or anything, ne? But I'm sure that a female must think, am I really this? Am I really doing this? Don't they be... She'll probably become aware of what she's doing. She'll probably become aware of what she's doing if she hears what he's saying. Am I right or am I right? Am I right or am I right?
En ek maak my tannie se hartjie seer. Die trane rol aan op jou wange, wens ek ken dit keer. Ja, ek wens. Ek is gestres, ek is depress, ek sê dit hoeveel keer. Gestres. Ek net happy. Hy sê ek maak myself net seer. Ek het myself beloof deur gaan ek die beste.
Nee, replay. Fucking replay.
Op jou vange wens ek ken dit keer. Ja, ek wens. Ek is gestres, ek is depress, ek sê dit hoeveel keer. Gestres. Ek net happy, hy sê ek maak.
Ek is gestres, ek is gedepressed en sy weet dit. Sy weet dit.
Maak myself net seer. Ek het
en ek maak myself net seer. Yo. I think that's my favorite line in this whole track. This whole stuk, ne? I think this is my favorite lines in the track. Nee, bro, I somewhere made me emotional inside, bro. I somewhere got chills through my whole body listening to that, bro. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do another reaction after this today. It's gonna be my only reaction for the day. Yeah, Nico. Sure.
Ja, beloof deur gaan ek die beste gee. En nie om op te gee want ek dan ook klaar als gee. Alles op my knieë en
He said them was he's the only one that's believed in himself, the only one that believes in himself. So this year he's gonna give it his all because he's the only one that believes in himself. So he's gonna live up to their potential. He's gonna live up to that saying of him. He's gonna live up to his full potential that he believes that he can achieve. Away.
Net vir my krag te gee. Ek druk die krag in my mag en is wat met plak en gee.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
Ek wys vir vaak om my getuie, hy is my aan 'n neef. Ons fight dan demons met ons self, ons gaan dit oorleef. Ek het my broer sing met 'n gebreekte hart als oor 'n dief. Ons rook die pyn weg, steek dit weg, hulle sê hy is verkeerd.
Ek rook die pyn weg. Yeah, ne? A lot of the people that are smoking weed, ne? A lot of them that smoking weed aren't smoking weed because they enjoy getting high. Yes, a lot of them enjoy getting high and they enjoy the feeling. But majority of stoners that a lot of elder folk don't really realize is that majority of the young people And even the older people that's in their 30s and 40s and 50s and shit, they smoke weed to forget about reality and escape reality because there's so much problems going on in their lives that they don't want to face or they don't want to believe it. So they go resort to smoking shit to get them fucked up so they can forget about reality for a second. Even though once your eye is off, you snap back into reality and you start thinking about everything and all those thoughts come back. So yeah, it's not really beneficial for your mental health if you're doing it like that. But if you join it because you enjoy getting high, then that's your.
What the fuck? No!
Ik voel zo moeg, ik voel en zo gestier. En ek het alles geleer, maar ek nog nie my les geleer. En as ek omdraai en loop, moet my net in die rug insteek. As ek omdraai en loop, moet my net in die rug insteek. As jy staan en soos jy staan, sy kak in my gevreed. Die peace wat ek geniet het.
Just sus, as jy staan soos jy staan, sê dit in my fucking gevreed.
Damn! Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
If you have something shit to say, all that shit that you've been saying cuck about me, ne? Come say it to my face. All that negativity and all that nonsense comments that you've been saying about me and like trying to afdruk me and trying to change my image and trying to make me a worse person than I am. Come say it to my face, man. All that negativity, come say it to my face, man. I bet you majority of the people that talk shit about you, or almost all the people that talk shit about you, would never say it to your face because they're too scared to say it to your face. That's why they hide behind a computer like a little bitch and say all that cuck on the internet, but they will never come say it to your face.
Piks van ek en jy het gevat en delete me. Dra my hart op my skouer, sy dra harde in die sleef en van. Ek wou net myself bewys dat ek intussen mense gaan. Ek ken die woord wat ek behoort, die huis jou ek verstaan. Die advies van 'n slang, hou net dieper laat gaan. Hulle wil jou afbreek, hulle wil jou afdruk en jou afskud. Gewoond aan chaos, ek druk myself once in die kak en ek is die perfectie. Jody is 'n low life en sy lewe, dit is die worth it. Ek voel frustreerd soos 'n drankie wat nie geserve word nie. Ek maak die tracks vir in 'n piece en nie vir die billboards nie. Ek kyk my skarrel, ek my hande seer want ek wil nie 'n nul word nie.
Kalm man. Yeah boy. Jody's darling kak here. Yo, please don't finish. Nice, Jody, your puss man, you should have made.
Dankie. Thank you to everybody who is hating your mommy's poos, your daddy's mommy's poos. If you don't like me, your uncle's mommy's poos, and your sister's mommy's poos.
That track longer, bro. Why is it only 3 minutes, bro? Yo, I needed like a whole bloody 5 minutes, 30 seconds or something of this track. This is a prime example, this track is a prime example of why Jody Man is my favorite rapper. I know a lot of you people are going to attack me and say, oh, I thought Sani is your favorite rapper. Oh, I thought the Terrible Twins is your favorite rappers. Oh, I think this guy was your favorite rapper. Why are you talking shit to us? But no, honestly, Jody Man's my favorite rapper. This guy's message, bro, it's like, yes, Sani is my other favorite rapper, ne? But Jody Man is, when Jody Man raps, ne, it's like I'm him. It's like I'm him rapping this. Because I feel the exact same way as this man. The way he explains himself in the tracks, in all his tracks. I feel the exact same way, and majority of his issues and like his problems, life problems and shit, I went through that shit. Majority of the shit that he speaks about, I feel it and I know the shit. So this is why I say Jody Man is one of those rappers that you really need to listen to and like listen with your soul, not just with your ears. Because a lot of people can hear, ne, but they don't listen carefully. A lot of people hear you, but they don't listen to you. There's a moorse difference, ne? It's a moorse difference. But yo, I can't wait for Jody Man to drop his EP Hard Crack. Yo, that is going to be probably EP of the year, one of the EPs of the year. And that is a fact. I don't know why Starboy and Cloud is taking so long to release their album Trench Kids. I'm so excited to check out that music. I'm so excited to check out that album, really. We dropped 2 reactions to 2 of the tracks that's on that EP It's on that album, by the way, so check it out. I'm gonna leave those reactions in my description below, as well with this track and Jody Man's official YouTube page, because I see he's finally uploading onto YouTube, onto his official YouTube page. No longer a topic. Jody Man's not a topic anymore. He's the shit now. He's the shit now. It's always been the shit, honestly. It's always been the shit. But yo, this man is a flippin' legend in the making. He's a goat. To me, he's already a goat. To me, he's already a goat. And personally, I'm excited to see what Jody Man's gonna drop next in the future. Like I said, I'm so excited to join this journey and to see what happens next, man. But yo, everyone that's watching this was a banger for the books. No. Wait. A certified banger. A multi-platinum certified banger, if that's even a way to say it. But oh wait. If you guys enjoyed this one, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn those notifications on to keep updated with all the bangers that's dropping this year. I know I'm sweating. It's more so hot in this room. Feels like it's 80 degrees outside, bro. And this room is like 150 degrees. Always even when it's cold outside, this room will be warm. When it's cold outside, raining and all that, it's warm in this room. Make that make sense. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and stay tuned for the next one, man, because I know you wouldn't want to miss it. It was D-Rock, the GOAT.